I got my Epitrotch, if I'm saying it right, oil metering pump for RX8. Here it is. I only bought it because I wanted to get rid of my big ass washer fluid reservoir. This thing is like big for no reason, but I won't be using the OMP function of this adapter because I already pre-mix manually. So I'm just using it for my washer fluid. It makes it look makes the bay look cleaner and less junk in a way. So the instructions are fairly easy. Like, I just look at the picture and know what to do already. So right now I'm just setting it up before I take it to the engine bay. So I gotta screw the reservoir onto the plate. Alright, I took this piece off. The next step is to get the little pump out and integrate it over here. So let's get to that. Alright, so the little pump is integrated into the new reservoir, which is small and reserved and collective and nice and cute. Alright, so I'll put this back on the plate and then take the plate right over there and mount it up. So I went from this ugly bulky thing to this clean and collective washer fluid with the reservoir. Looks better, but I think I'm gonna wrap it in gold tape. But it looks good. Put the clip in and connect this. There. And I do not have washer fluid because I never used it. But I'm gonna go get some. But yeah, that's how it looks in it. The plate comes in different colors. Black, red. Maybe I should have got it red, but oh well. It looks good. I'm gonna link the website. Well, I found it on eBay, but I'm gonna try to link it down below. loud ass car. Nah, nigga, I'm still around, boy. So I was finally able to purchase some new taillights for the 8. These are the chrome and the chrome ones with the tinted glass. So I'm gonna be installing this today and show you some other things I did. Alright, so first I started off by taking off the cover fur right here, which is right there. And then you need a 10 size key, a wrench, whatever. And there is two bolts holding down the headlight, the tail light. There's one right here, I already took it off. And this one over there, I already took it off. Now I gotta unplug it and wiggle it out and swap it out with a new one. Alright, so I forgot to mention that you gotta take off the locking mechanism in order for the headlight to come out. Put it there so it doesn't strain this cable right here. But yeah, and then you gotta kind of like pry it open slowly because it's like stuck and shit. So once I get this taken off, I just gotta repeat the same thing over there. Of course, an easy job turned into a hard ass job. So the little gasket that goes on the lip of this, it got so toasted that it stuck into the car itself. So now the new one won't fit properly because the new one comes with a little gasket already. So it's like 2 gaskets and one, and it doesn't let it sit flush like it's supposed to. So now I gotta take this old one out, and that's gonna take me a while because that's RTV. So it's on. Let me take the wrapping paper off. The wiring was a little confusing, but I figured it out. I called my friend Gil, and he guided me through the process of the wiring. So now I just gotta repeat the same thing on this side. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So the rain caught me, but here's the final look.